The learning that I've had, the aha moments of the workshop is the way it was conducted. Right from the day one where we spoke about, they tested our knowledge at the starting when we had baseline questions put up, asking us what the school management needs to know, what teacher actions make a classroom a learning space, what student actions make a classroom a learning space, and what the school leader does so that the classroom becomes a learning space. Right, moving into the theories that we studied about, and then we reduced to the two curriculums, which is the National Curriculum Framework and the draft NEP, National Education Policy. Going through each of them, they made something which was actually really dull and dry into something which was really interesting, which led to day two people feeling that they needed more time to actually go through the documents. One more thing which was really amazing was the feedback that they asked us for, Adhyayan asked us for, was shown to us the next day. A lot of workshops that I've gone to, they always ask us for feedback, and we don't know where the feedback goes. Even the learning materials that was given to us was immediately put up. Everything that we created was put up. Like we had a session on a national curriculum framework and creating a child out of that. So we created one, and it was just kept anywhere. It was put up so we can see our own work. Like the classroom is really enriched. That's something as a school leader, as an assistant school leader, when I do trainings for my teachers, we really talk about different material, but we don't put it up in the classroom. And the next time in class, we expect teachers to do the same thing. So they role model out things that we can take back immediately. Even the research, like the facilitators had they've done a lot of research, they have a lot of experience. We had case studies brought to us, which is real life, shown how things that have implemented change and how other schools have done it. The different frameworks that we saw has also been really good. So I think it's been a great learning experience for me.